Go has once again been confirmed as the fastest mobile network in Malta and Gozo, this time based on the experience of consumers themselves.
Ookla, the worldwide leader in internet testing and consumer network diagnostic applications. Every day, people like you and me all over the world perform over 9 million speed tests on our web and mobile platforms. This allows us to set the standard of accuracy, popularity, ease of use, and the subsequent development of statistical data. Significantly, in the first half of this year, we have seen Go increase the average internet download speed for its mobile customers from 32 megabits per second to over 40.
These results do not take us by surprise. Over the past years, we have been investing heavily in the re-engineering of our network. Over the past 3 years, we have spent over 10 million euros in deploying a state-of-the-art 4G network. Today, we can boldly say that we have the best network on the islands. However, we have not rested on our laurels. Go has already deployed 4G plus infrastructure in the main activity hubs of the Maltese islands, where it really matters.
Increasing internet speeds helps businesses and communities develop. Consumers can access media content and read news faster. Students can use the internet to enhance their studies. Based on our analysis of consumer mobile internet speeds, we are proud to award Go the fastest mobile award for Malta in the first half of 2017.
The team of Go stands tall today. After years of planning, investment and operational excellence, we are very proud to be recognized by Ookla, the company behind Speedtest, as having the fastest mobile internet speed in Malta and Gozo. These speed tests are initiated by mobile internet users, proving that Go Malta's customers have access to the fastest internet speed in the Maltese islands. Go understands that fast internet access is vital for the life of the customers, let it be in our homes or in business.